Exercise, an effective way to lose weight. Are you trying to lose weight? In case you didn't know, exercising regularly is the most effective way to lose weight. Dieting is another way of doing it, and people opt for it very often as it helps them to lose weight very quickly. The problem with dieting is that in most cases when dieters return to their old eating habits, they regain all their weight, which is very frustrating. This is why you should try to exercise regularly and change your eating habits slowly rather than following diets that will not help you maintain your weight in the long run. If you're someone who prefers to do nothing but sit and watch TV when you get back home from work, getting started with an exercise program will be tough. Anyway, you can start little by little. For example, you can start exercising for just 15 minutes a day and you will feel and look much better. Then, once you start noticing changes, it will be easier for you to exercise more often. Always keep in mind that you should consult your doctor before starting any exercise program to lose weight. What type of exercise program you can do depends on your cardiovascular health. The doctor also tells you how much exercise your body can do. With your doctor's guidance, you'll be sure that whatever type of exercise program you follow, it will do you good. Have you ever started any type of exercise program? If not, the best you can do is join a gym or hire a personal trainer. Most health clubs have a variety of free classes for their members. You can choose from traditional stair-stepping classes and aerobics to newer and more specialized classes like kickboxing, Pilates and yoga. In some cases, gyms offer spinning classes, which include an instructor and various stationary bicycles. But if you want to exercise for yourself, you should seek help from a personal trainer to create a program specifically for your needs. You can choose from a personal trainer or an employee of the health club. If you do not like going to the gym, then you can join the sport which you like the most. In this way, you are not only going to lose weight but you are also going to have fun. There are many entertainment centers and YMCAs from where you can choose the sport of your choice. There are several options. You can choose to play with a group of friends or join a preformed team with people you don't know. This is the best chance to meet new people, make new friends and have fun. After some time you will see that exercising becomes a habit, and at that very moment, you can start increasing the amount and intensity of the activity you are doing. For example, if you've started walking, you should try, after a few weeks, a little bit of running. It doesn't matter how much you raise, you should do it little by little. When you are exercising with the intention of losing weight, it is very important to keep in mind that the most important thing is getting healthy and not just losing pounds. You need to know that when you start exercising, it is very likely for you to gain some weight because you are increasing your muscles, and muscles are heavier than fat. Yet, when you gain more muscle, you also use more calories per day. Therefore, even if you do not change your diet, you will still lose weight. However, it is important to eat very healthy food to get enough energy to go through your workout sessions. If you want to lose weight loss fast, then product link given in description, buy from there.